What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel today. Hopefully you guys are having a great time on the YouTubes, and I thank you for stopping by. The reason I've invited you to watch this video today, and why you've probably clicked on it, is curiosity. So I was recently reading an article that was titled, "You're Doing This Wrong with Your Hatchback," and of course I was interested, so I clicked on it. What the article was talking about was an angry European gentleman saying how Americans misuse their hatchbacks and they don't even know it, and calling us ignorant, unworthy swine. Okay, maybe not those exact words, but along those lines. So, of course, me, Medic Magic Russell, was very curious about this. What he had said was we were using the hatchback incorrectly in this way. Let me show you guys. So here's my beautiful GTI Mark 7 everybody has come to love. And what this gentleman was talking about was that the hatchback, the way we shut it, is wrong. What most people do is they grab the back of the hatchback and they bring it down. That's what I do. He talked about these specific marks. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. Saying that our stupidity is displayed on the back of the hatchback with all the finger marks. He said, 1, it gets your hatchback dirty, 2, it gets your fingers dirty, and 3, it makes you look like an idiot. Now what he said was you open this bad boy up, and I apologize for how messy this is. This is all the stuff I take to work with me. He said when you shut your hatchback, it's supposed to look something like this. Now let me show you guys exactly what I'm doing. So whenever you open this up, you don't really have to touch anything other than that. But what is going on here, there are these handles up here that you're supposedly supposed to put your hands right here and pull down so that you don't have to touch the back. Pretty insightful. I mean, you guys can tell I always do this right here. Don't mind how dirty my car is, but yeah. So I guess from now on, I'm not going to be an uncultured swine like this gentleman was talking about. It was definitely a little bit eye-opening. I had always wondered, why is this so dark? Had always wondered what those were for there. So let me know what you guys think. Drop me a comment. Did you know those were there? Is that how you do it? Do you do it the American way? Do you do it the right way? Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, check out my other videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down, drop me a comment. Let me know what you're thinking. Smash that subscribe button, and we will see you guys next time. Peace.